Good afternoon, students. Standard 3rd. Subject English Prose. So children, today in English Prose we are going to learn chapter number 6, In a Biscuit Factory. Now children, we all love to eat biscuits and cookies. But now in this lesson we are going to learn how these biscuits and cookies are made in a biscuit factory. So let's begin the lesson. A biscuit is so crisp and tasty. We all love biscuits. We get different types of biscuits in shops. They come in colorful packets. They are made in a factory. But how are biscuits made in a factory? Let's find out. So children, let's find out how biscuits are made in a factory. Now first get a recipe. Now first all the ingredients needed for making a biscuit. Get the ingredients, things that go in a biscuit, things that are required to make a biscuit. Decide how much of each to use, weight each ingredient. Okay, now you have to decide how much to put in, weight each ingredient. Decide how much of each to use, weight each ingredient. Now mix the things and make a dough. Now you have to mix all the things and make a dough. Knead the dough. Okay? You have seen your mummy while making chapati, how she is mixing the flour. Now roll out the dough. Now cut out the dough into biscuit shapes. Now you can see here biscuit shapes. Now cool the ready biscuits. Now cool it. Bake the dough shapes in an oven. Now here first we have to put this biscuits in oven and then we have to cool the ready biscuits. Now see if the biscuits are done baked properly. Now pack the biscuits into packets. Now you can see here biscuits are packed in the packets. Now store and sell the biscuit. Now this is store and sell in the market, the biscuits. Now children, this is an activity which you can do at home. Prepare a simple flow chart with 3-5 steps for any task of your choice. For example, drinking milk. Now for drinking milk, first take a glass or cup, pour milk in it, add sugar, stir with a spoon, drink up, wash the glass. Now these are the simple flow chart, simple steps which you have to follow for drinking your milk. Thank you, children.